Kasenjuk ki nongshna phlim nik All Giantia Film, Music and Arts Association, kumjuk All Giantia Master Role and Labor Union, hak arpwetrik jemang, kila Iakynduh ya umentri rangba ka CM Conrad Sangma, ha CTC Orchid in Thatlasken. Kasenjuk ki nongshna phlim nik All Giantia Film, Music and Arts Association, ha ka Iakynduh bat u Chief Minister, kalakar part ban pelong ka International Films Festival hajuai. Na kalyang u Conrad Sangma habakran syakilat patai kubor ulaong. Kade ka jingtarwa ka babaha, bat ngin sasyong bishar beniap ha ka rukam ka badai, bat u MLA ka juwai kumju u menteri ka tenat kam jungok kai pertai. Katba na kalyang ka All Giantia Master Role and Labor Union, kaladawa na ka sorkar ban penkiw ya ka bainong jongki Master Role, bat ban penteri kam ya ka scheme RCW, Regular Casual Workers, na luar kiway kimat jingdawa. Na kalyang umentri rangba ulaong baro kini jingdawa jungi Master Role kilong kiba ban ay mardor ka juba hendringin sa bishar benya ya kanika kamru.
I had met the members from the Giantia Film Festival, Film, Music and Arts Association, and they have requested us to have the International Film Festival in July this time. I think it's a very good proposal, and definitely after discussion with our Honorable MLA and discussion with the Honorable Tourism Minister, we will examine this in a positive manner. The All Giantia Master Role Workers and Labour Union also had met us. They have requested that the new rates that the government has given for the minimum wage, if they were asking for the rates to be revised and to be effective, from the 1st of October 2018. So we will just look at this aspect, 1st of October 2023. So we will look at this aspect and we examine this and what is the possibility on this. Another issues of the regular casual workers, the RCWs, and they're requesting for full implementation of that. And also they're asking for the enhancement of retirement for Master Role up from 58 to 60, and for the upgradation of category based on years of service. So all these aspects, of course, are related with personal department, and it will be difficult for us to immediately give an answer, but I'll definitely examine this matter also.